Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo V50 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Press the volume up and power button together. Now tap to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the power and volume up button together until the Vivo logo appears. Press and hold it and now release. And you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G fast boot mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see Vivo 5G recovery. Install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart is available. Simply tap on clear data and you can see clear cache, clear all data, tap on clear all data. So here you can see clear all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos, and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now here tap on OK. And you can see it is clearing data. Do not use the device. So you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return. Go back and here restart. As you can see, restart your device, tap on OK. And guys, after a hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after a hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo V50 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comments below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.